Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel one item on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel a single item on Temu, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Temu app. So once you have tapped open your Temu, you need to now navigate to your orders through the app or website. Once you have navigated to your order section as well, you can simply locate the desired orders. So once you have tapped on your order option, you will end up in the section where you have all your orders. So there, locate the desired order, and once you have located it, you can simply find the cancel option. So simply select the cancel items option. As you can see, I don't have any processing order right now, but if you have one, then you can find the cancel option right over there. So simply choose the specific item you want to cancel and provide a reason why you want to cancel that particular order and select your preferred refund method. So this is how you can cancel one item on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.